Thank you, Nora. Is this thing on? Yeah. Hey, Tannerax. Hey, Isaac. Fuck, a 10 stream streak? Holy. Probably like the most dedicated viewer here, Nora. Hey, Bonks. Good morning. Oh yeah, that's right. Tannerax was on a 15 stream streak. Hey, Abu. Yesterday was fine. I guess. After stream, I just went and did a bunch of running around. Then I came home and the washer guy was like, "Oh, actually, I can't come because I don't have the part." So, washer's still broken. Hey, Stefan. Welcome to the stream. Oh, I was messing with the game code until late last night. Trying to figure out what's going on here. More readable than mine? I don't know. Probably because I've been writing Clojure for a long time. This is why did you post a washboard? Yeah, but washboards, like, have you ever actually manually done your laundry before? Because I have. It's not fun. Yeah, this is also pretty, Stefan, this is pretty gross code. I would say, like, there's some probably, like, better code. Like, these functions are, like, really nice, I guess. Right? The stuff down here is just nasty game code. Just, like, hacks upon hacks, giant functions and stuff like that. Yeah, washboard is a manual. Also makes a cool instrument. I've not, my wife definitely still has. Still does much of her clothes. Yeah, I will like hand wash a few things. Hey, Lazy Dev, what's going on? Welcome to the stream. It's all the clothes and it's super tiring. Yeah, that's true, Bongs. Hey, Admika. What's up? I haven't had any caffeine yesterday. Should I have coffee? I bought good coffee this time. Last time I had a gross one. Coffee or white monster? Should probably have white monster so I can stop thinking about my problems. Hyper focused. Mm. Cocaine. Well, if I did cocaine, maybe I'd actually have the fucking balls to go do the content that I want to do. Big bars to claim in the OOP, it's gonna get removed. Uh, nah. Hang on, guys. I need to put some eggs on the stove. Hey Siri, set a timer for 10 minutes.
10 minutes, starting now.
Hey for Devia. Oh. I don't feel fire today. Hey Christinka. What am I doing? I'm trying to figure out what's causing that rubber banding in the game loop. You see that? Kind of like a, almost like a teleport. Really only happens if my character changes direction suddenly. If I do this back and forth, it generates a ton of rubber banding. It's really odd. Hey, Thump. Hey, Eigen Tourist. Morning. A game in Clojure? Yeah. Unfortunately, I have to make life difficult for myself all the time. Hey, sparkly dark matter. Well, Thump, it's not just a game in Clojure, it's a multiplayer browser game in Clojure. So, yeah, it's pretty cool when I can get it to work. Oh, you do CL? We got a lot of we have a lot of common list people in the Twitch chat. Hey, Bedroom. All right, guys, I'm gonna go get my eggs. Hang on. Well, that's good, Nora. No bunks. This is the local server. So it happens. Hey, Klein Bottle. Hey, Stir Fry. Hey, Tannerax, what's up? Yeah, I'm fine, dude. Really lost in that code sauce. Oh, maybe I should have some caffeine. I just haven't yet today. Hey, huge. Hey, huge. Thanks for the 3 months of tier 1. Black or something on my shirt. Yeah, it's a little hole, actually. Hey, Oreo. Oh, I just haven't had any caffeine this morning, that's all. No, Clojure is a dot operator. It's used for interop. What do you mean normally? Oh, great. Hello? Yeah. Probably have some coffee or something. It's a Tuesday kind of morning. Hey Alexa. I don't know, I guess I'll just go make a cup of coffee, I guess, you guys. Tim Hortons is good. So motivated. Alright, be right back. Propeller is pretty good. Thank you, Nora. No, I didn't solve my rubber banding. Put too much oat milk in it. Now it's like lukewarm. Don't call me auntie, that makes me feel old. Whoa, the game slowed down so much. What the hell? Hey, if I had. Yo, Emrys, what's going on with you? You're being a little hostile today. Yesterday we were chill. Now you're like hostile, yo. Hey, Fallen. Bit more explosive? No, Oslo, I am not familiar with this content. Maybe I should just make a single player game. At least I can make one of those. Fuck. Does the game have a name? I was thinking about calling it Low Key Game. Low Key Survival. Messing with multiplayer things? Yeah. You didn't know that? I guess we can bring up the server and then mess around with it. I did up the frame rate on the server. I upped the frame rate and I realized that what I was manipulating here is actually the leg clamp. So the simulation doesn't run too far behind. But I was also listening to stupid ass chat Jibbity and it was telling me your client side clamp should be about a single server frame. I'm like, I don't know if that's true. But whatever. Stupid ass clanker. About the rubber banding you spoke of. Yeah, no, it's a problem with like the client side prediction is doing like an extra like predicted frame and then that causes a mismatch with the server. So that's what's causing the rubber banding. Pause rubber banding and add chat. Uh yeah, that might be fun. Fuck it. Fuck it, bruh. only sees what the server sends and acknowledges it. Well, the problem with that is Jesus. The problem with that, Emrys, is that the game won't feel responsive. Right? The whole reason we do client-side prediction is so that the game feels responsive to the player. I love that you said God bless when I coughed. That was a cough. Sometimes people mistake my wet coughs for sneezes. Rubber banding, I think you have a rage condition. I'm not sure I follow Cryogi. I weighed myself this morning. I weighed in at like 126. I thought it was a lot heavier than that. 126.7. Maybe my scale is broken from the flood. There. Gotta have the elbow cam, you guys. Gotta have elbow cam. See? Like even the tree cam is like completely messed up. Did I say since the flood? Yeah. At the start of November. Literally on November 1st. No, like my washer malfunctioned and flooded my apartment like a month and a half ago. Yeah, no. Um so Emrys, this is pretty like what you're suggesting is would work in some cases, it's pretty surface level. But what you really need to do is you need to keep track of like previous inputs, and then replay those inputs with the state from the server. If there's a mismatch, you basically figure out if there's a mismatch because by having like a sequence number and a last like process sequence number. Yeah, no, not a metaphor, an actual like thing that happened. I feel like the tree cam is not, it's like off. Like the camera used to be centered, but now it's not. That's irritating. Yeah, vibes are off. Bruh. What's this? Oh, that's just me again. Okay. Uh, yeah, I had concrete floors in my apartment for like a month. It was miserable. Oh, there we go. We can just recenter it here. Elbow cam. Do I want to add chat? Actually add chat? Oh, right, I was deploying to the server. Deploying. You could call it deploying to the server. Who was asking about the server? I forget. Was it Eigentourist? Sparkly dark matter. You thought the doctor's scale was broken. That's funny. Locally, dokily. The rubber banding isn't as dramatic now, I think. Most of the time. Now that I increased the server frame rate and fixed some of the clamping on the front end. Like it feels a little tighter, but there's still that like little bit of rubber banding. Here, somebody join the server. Yeah, I already do Emrys, I already do that. I do linear interpolation between all the um the two server snapshots. Because we get server snapshots like, well, now technically every 3 client frames we get a server snapshot. So I interpolate between the two. I do linear interpolation between the two frames with like a bunch of like server time and junk. Somebody told me you had a boyfriend who looked like a girlfriend. Wow, somebody joined the server. Yeah, I'm wondering like if I should like start doing database stuff, right? Because I was thinking, I was like, okay, so we can clean up like connections pretty easily, I think. All I gotta do is uh extend. I'll just have to like implement all my protocols for nil, right? And then kind of create like a miniature memory pool type dealio. So that should be easy to like clean up connections and players and stuff. Um Database stuff, I was like, okay, so I can just do what I do for logs and I'll just create well the login form, and maybe I should do Twitch OAuth instead. Cause I think like Twitch OAuth would just make this so much easier for now. Because in that way, like I have like an audit log of like, people that might be like violating the policy. Oh yeah. If you've got a lot of lag, you might be, because the server, it's just a little digital ocean droplet in Canada. So, like, if you're literally on the other side of the world, there might be a lot of lag. Yeah, I can see rubber banding around. Or I can see underwear thief rubber banding around. Actually, wait, yeah, everybody's rubber banding more. Oh, I broke something. I should have kept it the way it was. Fuck. Oh. Wait, can other people move their characters? Please? No? What the fuck? Oh, I feel like the other player movement was much smoother before. But now they're all rubber banding. Whoa, okay. Well, that's frustrating. Possible to review an API client you're building? Maybe. Yeah, fuck, man. Oh, that's so frustrating. Well, the round trip delay from Canada to Nepal could be tough. The server's fine. Oh, I'm just upset now that everybody is like rubber banding. Fuck. Well, yeah, if you add a hop, it's gonna be like, it's probably gonna be difficult, especially if you're like, you know, current time last minus last time update over delta time. No. So this is a fixed time step loop, right? The variable rendering is right here. Now this interpolation is from basically a holdover from when this was a single player game, right? Um, but yeah, basically we generate like we have like frame time, right? And the game is kind of like always kind of catching up to the current time. You can kind of think of it like the game is actually just ever so slightly lagging behind. Like in a lot of algorithms, this accumulator will actually just be called lag, right? And so we literally add that to the accumulator, and then we do so many delta time update chunks, right? But because you can be between, this creates a situation where you can actually, the render can actually fall between two states, right? You've got like in your timeline, you've got like two render frame or two update frames, right? Two physics frames, we'll say. And your update actually falls like, or your render actually falls like right here. And so you need to interpolate between the two. And this is why actually my single player games are actually smooth and run well, which is pretty cool. Just not this one. This one's not smooth. Doesn't run well. I mean, it runs okay. I'm gonna change it back though. I don't know. I don't like that other people are rubber banding now, because that didn't happen before, right? Oh, Okay. Um. Hey, Deagle. Good morning. Is this gonna be on Steam? No. Definitely not gonna be on Steam. Oh, maybe I should make another cup of coffee, you guys. Is it gonna be on game.genetacar.com? I don't know. Do I hate Gabe? No. Hey, Nil. Well, it has its own domain right now, Deagle, so... Although, it is a temporary domain, so that I could get secure WebSockets working. Okay, let's try this again. Bringing up the server again, yo. Still... Still fucky. Still fucky, you guys. That feels a little bit better. Sort of. But the rubber banding is, like, insane now. It's weird, because... Like... I can have... It feels like I can either have rubber banding for all the other players, or I can have smooth other players and then insane rubber banding for the player. Don't use localhost 8000, that's where I host my game. Feast Machine is a catchy name. It's actually a domain I bought for another project. So I originally bought Feast Machine because I wanted to use AI to kind of create, like, I guess, a competitor to HelloFresh. But, like, basically Feast Machine would use AI to create meal plans and then actually order the groceries for you, right? Kind of like agentic stuff. And then like order the groceries for you and have them like sent to your house or whatever. Because like these meal kits thingies services, they're not very allergy friendly. Like, you can get some stuff that's like, oh, vegan or vegetarian or whatever. But if I tell, like, yeah, you guys know me, I'm like allergic to dairy and legumes. But the agentic AI stuff isn't like super good yet. Because, like, it would add food to the cart that, like, I couldn't eat, even though I told it that. It did pretty well overall. When, it would, like, come up with an idea, and then it would order, like, chopped sweet potatoes and, like, turkey breast or whatever it was, right? Also, the meals it generated were kind of bland, a little bland. Like, I always find that with, like, recipes that ChatGPT generates, is they're always kind of bland, right? So yeah, didn't really stick. Maybe if it ever does, the agentic AI ever does get better, I'll pick it back up again. Because obviously it's like a project that I would be super passionate about. So yeah, now other people are smooth, but the player experiences heavy rubber banding, like insane, like teleporting almost. Loading on screen on Canada VPN. Your VPN probably doesn't carry WebSockets very well, Emrys. You're pretty smooth, Underwear Thief. I mean, it's smooth for the most part, but then there's like, yeah, teleporting. I flew off the map. Yeah, I don't know. I just feel like this needs to be solid before I do anything else, but come on, fucking shit, bro. Seriously? What? Jesus Christ. Yeah, why is ChatGPT like just blatantly broken sometimes? My name covers other people's name because it's too long. Yeah, there's not really like so basically there's a render order and some people's names are going to be on top of others. Yeah, Jesus, the rubber banding is so bad. But everybody else looks smooth, so fuck. It's kind of frustrating. Like, what the fuck? Yeah, there's no limit on usernames. Getting a lot of server reconciliation happening. That's odd. Do we have not have the new version of the game? And shit. That's weird. Why isn't it printing out the like server messages? For some reason, it's not printing out this message right here in the logs. That's weird. Fuck it, let's get rid of all the logs, yo. No more logs. I don't want to know what's going on anymore. Don't my eyes get dry from too much screen time? I don't know. Maybe? Probably don't need to copy all the resources folder. Probably could just copy like the public. Well, they're WebSockets, so yes, it's TCP. What am I building, young CJ? It is a multiplayer browser game. Whoa, we got Chinese characters in here. God damn. Okay, so we're not actually getting fresh builds of the front end for some reason. Control F5, that's a good idea. GTFO. Wait, oh, for fuck's sakes. Bruh. Crypto pump and dump rug pull. So wait, does that mean the... What the fuck? What is going on? Uh, do you guys see these console logs? I commented those out and I copied the stuff to the server, so I don't know why we still have an old build laying around. What the fuck? Oh, nice. Somebody was made their name an emoji, and that's actually cool. Oh, great. Is this some like hateful shit written in Russian? That's weird. Why? What the fuck? Okay. Let's try again. Looks like, hey, Janet A. Carr. Yeah, sorry. I'm trying to figure out why we're not getting the front end build. Fuck. Hey, Kudo. Kudo. Ugh. Fuck. It had to be a multiplayer game. Yes, the server is off. I terminated the process to try and debug what's going on, Emrys. I'm gonna have to have some more coffee and maybe even some cookies. I don't know. Might make me feel better. A formal bug? A formal bug report? Is WoW really down right now? Are they doing server maintenance? God, I just wish I could figure out why this client-side prediction is not working. Alright. That's really interesting. Uh, what the fuck? How are people making requests against the server, but I can't? What the fuck? Oh, you guys probably have stale shit in your cache, that's why. Great. Sorry, I have to kill the server again. What the hell, bro? Dude, what is going on with this? Bruh. I suppose it's probably because of this. Maybe. Why did it work before? Have we just like never had a new build? Is that why that worked before? Because we just never had a proper new build? Oh my god. All the shit. Dude. I have to figure out. Ugh. Maybe it's time to use Claude Code. Bro. Fucking shit. This is just like everybody's solution to everything. Maybe it's time to use Claude Code. Do you not remember the whole like discussion we had yesterday, Emerus? Okay. I think I know what I have to do. Next person to suggest an LLM is getting launched into the sun. Okay, let's see. We are connected. Jumping around here. Slow network is detected. Interesting. Ugh. Yeah, using a debugger with games is actually kind of hard. Because of like how breakpoints work and stuff. For LLM, which could actually generate money. View bots with messaging capabilities. I think those exist, don't they? AI for good. Hashtag this and that. Oh, I just wish I could fix that teleporting. It's really annoying. Like, it's not gonna make the game playable if I started implementing mechanics. It would have been a single player game. It would have been a single player game. Fortune favors the bold, don't give up. Oh, chat, I fucking screwed up. I'm not even bold, yo. Fucked up. Just did what everybody else did in life. Now look at me. Replay. Snapchat server. Oh, you listen to my funk prog talk? We're gonna have an ad break here in like 3 minutes. So once that happens, I'm gonna go make some curfy. Some curfy, bud. Janet B car, nice. Hmm. Ooh, ouch. Get off. Wait, what? Yeah, thanks K579. You're probably right, honestly. Oh, I don't want to tell you my age because it makes me feel bad. Hey, Robert. Robert Scott on YouTube. Okay, I'm gonna go make some coffee. Hey, tired beaver. Yeah, I'm just gonna get like smart, you know? Although it did suggest one thing that I don't have tolerance. Hey, Fallen. Basically, I need like tolerance in my doohickey, maybe. Like, if the physics state is like, I don't know. Well, right now it's technically, and this is bad design, but technically the character moves at like pixels per second. It should really be modeled after some like real like measurement, like meters per second. But for now, and like the world should have like, real defined widths and stuff. The character should be 32 pixels across because it's 16 pixel sprite scaled up by 2. So maybe if we're like, yeah, if we're like, I don't know, more than 32 pixels off, then we replay. And let's see here. Physics. Oh, there's gotta be a smart way to do this. Um, yeah, hang on. uh, Offer a handshake. Yeah, let's see if we can do the error value. So it would be like get physics components, layer ID. Actually, this should be get in, shouldn't it? Get in, player ID, current. What we're gonna have to do for X and Y. Oh, fuck. Okay. Whatever. Components. Clear. No, we want just normal ass physics here. Clear ID. Current. X. Bruh. X. Uh. And error is greater than 16 or less than 16. I guess we're traveling in the other direction. Should really be like error X or something. Bruh. Let me flip it on there on your head. Joanna? Joanna Angel? Why do you use a normal IDE? Hmm? 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 Okay, you know what I'm saying? But you didn't think about that one. Why do you use one? Okay, let's change all this. Let's do it again. Again. Oops. Like, what even is a normal IDE? Because for like a billion years, Emacs was considered to be the normal IDE. So I don't even know what that question means. What is the name of this? This is Emacs. Okay. Wait, this should be minus 16. One of these should be minus 16, right? Think I need to change to Linux? Who needs to change to Linux? Bro, I was using Linux when you were probably in diapers. Whoever you are. Actually, I bought a fancy Linux laptop that's coming in the new year, okay? God. It's bespoke shit. Open hardware, open source hardware. You wouldn't understand. Wouldn't understand. I mean, you're just not cool enough for it, honestly. Ow, I just hit my knee on something and hit the bruise from the fall last week. Ah. The one that was just linked by my excellent moderator, the MNT Reform Next, literally the best, coolest computer in the world, guys. Come on. Oh, you can tell that coffee is doing its thing. Finally. God. Instead of sitting here sulking about how I didn't do, adult content and make tons and tons of money, instead I'm streaming on Twitch and being poor. How do you like that? Why was I ever adding oat milk to this? Yes, when is like if. It's like a single branch if, bro. But it supports just side effects, bro. Okay? Bro. Bro. Clojure is adult content. Bruh. No, it's just instant Starbucks coffee. Because I'm a peasant now. Man, I really gotta clean that coffee maker. I'm too scared now. I'm like actually scared. Okay, Joanna. You're getting pretty close to... I'm back. Did you solve it yet? No. Okay, let's see. If... Yeah, one of these needs to be minus 16. I think it's this one. I think this one too. Yeah. In case we're traveling and we start traveling in the other direction, right? Yeah, maybe. Maybe, possibly. Let me test it locally before I send it up to the server. Bro. Life in that thing? There is. There's a whole ass organism growing in there, and I'm scared of it. I'm fucking scared, bruh. Come on. Jeez, bruh. Okay. Let's see here. Let's have a look-see, bruh. Local host. See if it's any worse, bro. Okay, we're doing things. Oh, we were way over there, bruh. Achoo! Oh. Achoo! Okay, we built the front end again because this is Clojure script and it's way better than that shit, bro. Let's see here. Okay. Okie dokie. Interesting. Oh, right, that's right. We went back to 10 frames per second for the server. Boy, yeah, boy. Yeah, I need the before. Okay, let's see here. That was definitely more than 16 there, Bria. Definitely more than 16. It's about... Oh, no, it wasn't. I don't know how to do math. Yes, it was, actually. Still don't know how to do math. Never mind. Bless your soul, bruh. Gut and cheeseburger. Man, I want a cheeseburger. Hey, dem boys. Is it a web game? Hell yeah, it's a web game. I have a better idea. Let's just increase the tolerance. That way we'll only do client side. We'll only do reconciliation like when we're like way out in left field, you know? We don't even give a fuck, bro. Don't even... Aw, bruh, come on. Yeah, that was quite a jump. But yeah, if we're like a guy off, it's not so bad, bruh. It's a little better. We still be teleporting, right? Really hard for some reason. I feel like... Oops. Bruh, please. I need to go blow my nose, guys. Do I have Instagram? Hell yeah. You can follow my fine ass over there if you want. It's the same username I have everywhere. Janetta Core. Yeah, everybody go follow me over there on Instagram. I'll have to create like a stream elements command for it. Yeah, there's no engine. This is the Janet's own engine. Or Joe for shirt. Shirt. For shirt, bud. Joe for shirt, bud. Joe for shirt, bud. Sometimes I speak like my Irish ancestors. Totally unintentional. Definitely some like mimetic encoding or whatever, I'm guessing. Probably. Hola hola you dem boys. Janet A engine. That's one way of putting it. Okay, here we go. Chat commands. Custom commands. Add custom command, bro. IG. Insta. Bruh. There you go. Everybody go follow me. I wasn't asking. I was telling you to do it. Go now. Click. Hurry. Well, there's still time. Well, it feels like there's less reconciliation happening. Maybe. But now the teleports are like even bigger. We're just like way the fuck out in left field here, bruh. Or we get fucked up, bro. Ah! Ah. You blocked stream elements? Bro! What do you mean you blocked stream elements? Can you even do that, bro? Is that even allowed? Is that even legal, bro? Like, I don't even know... Like, I don't even know who you are anymore, Instacake. Like, it's writing your name, too. Instacake. Instacake doesn't want to go follow me on Instagram. Works fine for chat spam. There. Now you gotta go follow, because I posted it from my verified official account. Look at this. I'm a 20-month subscriber to me. There's only one person who has the same number of subscriber months as me, and that's Derivative. Can you believe that? That's crazy. Trans girls are hot? Yeah, they are. Crazy. Crazy concept. I know it's a crazy concept for most people, but I'm on the forefront of, like, you know, everything. My whole life is living on the edge here, so oh no. Oh no 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 no. Server locked up. What the hell, bro? Why is my pipe broken? Bro. I swear to God, if one of you guys fucking brown hat hacked my box, bro. Not cool, bro. Maybe we just ran out of bandwidth for the month. Who all? Let's see. I don't even have who all. Fuck. Okay. Who dash A. It's me. The other one is me, but the pipe is hanging for some reason. The pipe is straight up just broken. The frick, bro? Bro, what is going on here? Okay. Is the Java process still running? Real question. No. So why the fuck did this lock up? Bruh. Lock up and lock the fuck in, bro. Yeah, well, you can go follow me on Insta. Yeah, I'm a PsyOp, actually, in case you didn't know. Your Christmas tree can be burned out with that a lot of lights. What do you mean burned out? It's fucking immaculate, yo. Oh wait, I did the same thing. I forgot to... I'm not building my production build with the WebSocket URL. The secure WebSockets, bro. Many lights. Yes. Look. It's cool. It really adds the vibes. Although I will admit, it definitely radiated more vibes before the contractors fucked it up on Saturday. Wow, only like one of you guys followed. What the hell, bro? What am I, just like chop liver to you guys? Your office radio? You don't even want to fucking build that parasocial relationship? It's fine. Whatever. I'm over it. Christmas tree? More like Xmas tree. Bruh. You're not wrong, okay? Bam. Remove app.jar. Bam. Okay. Now we're going to secure copy all of our shit. because this is how deployments work, I guess. Mm. Mm. Bruh, please. Which trans girl are we talking about? I don't know. Obscure? Obscure Studio? Let me see. Who's Obscure Studio? That's kind of a cool name. I don't know. I don't know what trans girl we're talking about. I don't know any trans girls. I just own a t-shirt. You don't need Instagram to go parasocial? Okay. But but not x equals 4? I don't know. Actually, isn't it like Latin or something? Or Greek? Where x equals Christ? I don't know. English is a stupid language, okay? It's like bigly stupid. Oh, I thought you have been transferred. Oh, Obscure got Riz. What language are you using? Bro, it's Clojure. Clojure and Clojure Scripto. Oh. Okay. All right. I have some pretty cool people follow me around the web, you know? I have a little following of my own, bruh. It's cool. It's whatever. I'm not mad about it. Alright, Feast Machine, let's go. Janetta, login as Janetta. Now that we got error tolerance, we definitely still got tons of teleporting, bro. It's like even worse now. Oh my god, I'm never gonna figure this fucking shit out. Why? It's like, it happens like, it almost happens like, I don't know. Frick, bro. It feels, yeah, it feels almost periodic, like every like 5 seconds or something. Making a series of night online game, which has been effective in Turkish Republic since 2004. That's pretty cool. Uh, Twitch Unruffled? No, it's neither C nor Unity. It is Clojure. It's my own thing, which is clearly making me miserable. Maybe I should just add some smoothing instead of like error tolerance, you know? Like we could just have like a little doodad here, little loop or whatever, where instead of we just like jump to the delta time, we could do like, I don't know, a bunch of little slices of delta time, up to delta time, if that makes any sense. JK, you can use C, bruh. Teleported into the game. Yeah, like I feel like, yeah, we're definitely not getting those like those little teleports anymore thanks to the error tolerance, but now we get big teleports, which is kind of annoying. And that's like even worse than like little teleports, because little teleports are like fine. Text right now while listening to you in background as ASMR. Everybody loves the sound of my voice for some reason. I don't know why. You guys still didn't follow me on Instagram? What the fuck is that shit? Am I chopped liver to you guys? Okay, I'll do it one more time. You guys better follow, okay? Sheesh. Hmm. What the fuck is a PSD file? Photoshop. Do I care about Photoshop files? Sure, send me both. This looks great. Bam. Looks like we're gonna get some emotes, fam. Maybe? I do like them. I'm not sure how I feel about them over the AI generated ones. Maybe I should let the community decide? I don't know. Wow, Discord, thanks for downloading the update and not doing anything. Fuck Discord. Oh, emotes, bruh. Come on. Frick. Could somebody tell me why Discord isn't starting? Oh, I just had to install like 100 updates. Okay. Discord did everything to me, bro. Like, fuck. People keep adding me. Uh. Oh. Oh. Updating too frequently? Bruh. Oh my god. Alright, I see some of you guys follow. That's better. It's more like it. Bless you. Thank you. Oh, feel light. Bruh. I need to blow my nose again. Ugh. Ugh. The only good hex is a decibel? Haha. I get it. Sorta. Bro? Bro? Really? Bro? Seriously? Really, bro? I'm not snotty, bro, okay? Just sneezing. Jesus. Black tea with lemonade? That sounds interesting. La Caca from Kick. Sorry, I'm not ignoring Kick. You're just at the bottom of my page, so maybe pal chum next time. Okay, bro. Break, bro. Well, that's it. My game sucks. I'll have to come back to the... Oh, whoa, okay. That was weird. We like snapped to the other player. That was kind of odd. Overall, it's kind of smooth, bruh. Kinda. Oh. From the Middle East, it's effective. Like, is it, or do you mean black tea with lemon, or do you mean black tea with actual, like, lemonade, like the juice? Oh, that's the artist guy. Hey, what's up, Egg? Agito? Agit? I'm not even saying it right. Agito? Agito? Wow, that's so weird. Yeah, I guess so, yeah. I did give you my Twitch account, so that makes a lot of sense, I suppose. Exporting. Oh. Yeah. Sometimes I watch the Primogen. The prime time again. See, the game will be like, oh yeah, everything's all good. We're chilling. We're chilling here. We're moving around. But then, boom, we're teleported all over the fucking place. Wait, trans girls are hot. I agree with you. Come back. Come back. No. Yo, let's go. Let's add some players. Can people join the server, please, so that I can load test here? Okay. You know what I'm saying? Let's go. Everybody join. Let's go. Let's go. Everybody. 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 Everybody now. Let's go. Testing loads. Wide loads. Look out. Wide loads. Wide loads. Bro, it's a browser, bro. Browser, bro. Desktop browser, yes. Nice. I love this. Oh my goodness. Lots of teleporting. How's the teleporting for people? Is it bad? It's like fine until it isn't fine. And then you're just like on the other side of the map. Oh, it's daytime now. Look at that. Ah! Oh my god. Oh my god, bruh. This is it right here. The makings of an MMO, bruh. This is actually really fun to have a bunch of people on the server just running around. Bruh. Good old super long name. We love that. Teleporting is rough indeed. Bruh. That's it. I am absolutely gonna quit this game. I just can't figure out the teleporting. Like, I don't know. Maybe I should just make it like, I don't know, a whole bunch, the error tolerance. So if you're like way, way off, then, you know. So if you're on like the other side of the globe, people have reported problems with VPNs. I mean, there should be teleporting. I guess that's the normal behavior, is teleporting. I don't know. Wait a second. Wait just a minute, bruh. Okay, here we go. Level 100 mage, bit compost. Nice. I love that people are actually trying to find bugs here. This is good. This is like mob testing almost. God. Sometimes the teleporting gets bad. Sometimes it's not bad at all. Sometimes there's like zero teleporting. I don't know what the hell's going on. Shaking the screen every second. You might have an old version of the build. Oh, look at this guy. We got a smart ass with the emojis here. Collision detection's kind of working unless you get teleported around. Like, what the fuck, bro? What the fuck, bro? I'm glad people feel safe they can express themselves here with emojis. That's interesting. The pipe stopped again. What the fuck is going on? That is so weird. Whoa. Ah, dude. The teleporting is driving me insane. I don't know why. It's like doing it. What? state buffering issue. Everybody keeps. I feel like people just say what they think is like correct here. State buffering issue. No, it's because there's extra predicted frames happening. So it gets reconciled, bruh. Okay, I need to see. Oh, there. I'm not throwing out predicted frames that are newer than the server update. No, I keep around the previous frames in case I have to replay them. Well, replay the inputs anyways. Fuck. Fuck, bud. Well, we got a lot of players up in this piece. When it's not teleporting, though, it's still smooth for the number of players in here. It's pretty cool. Let me see here. Ooh. Predicted frames. What extrapolation are you using? VR. I was doing networked co-op. What? Emacs is not only is Emacs free, like as in free beer, it's free as in free speech, dog. It's open sauce. Oh hey Crash King. Head of schedule today. Button Tim's and got high. Damn. Paid $30 for Emacs. Well, apparently back in the day, Emacs did used to come on like a diskette and you would have to pay for it. Bruh. What I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to sit down and just read a bunch of like Glenn Fedder's blog probably to figure out how to make this work. Like I'm probably just gonna have to read a shitload of like game networking stuff to make it work, I bet. Okay, what happened? Why is there no teleporting happening? Like immediately something bad happened. Like did the server die? No, the pipe's still broken. Like the pipe is literally okay, so that finally quit. And that pipe broke. So yeah. Okay, obviously I need to like get the system daemon service stuff going so that it just runs when I don't do the thing. But at the same time, I don't want to have to like moderate it, so server link. Hang on. Why can't I right click here? That's so stupid. Yay, teleport me. Teleport me, daddy. Let's go. Let's fucking teleport around, bro. You know what? I'm just gonna make it like 64 or something. Cause most of the airs seem to be like they're like off by like just over 30. Like 35, 38. And it kind of makes sense actually because if you think about it, if we have 6 frames at 0.016, the velocity is 600 milliseconds. 600. We got 9. We do that 6 times. That's 57. Or if it's like 9.6 times 7, if we do an extra frame, it's 67. So, yeah, it really should be like 60 here. Either that I'm just rationalizing, but we'll make it a whole 2 guys off, I guess, as our air threshold. 6, 7? Hell yeah. That's right, bruh. Okay, I'm turning off the servers for a second, you hooligans. Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay. Now I must build. Frick. Thanks for the credentials. Wait, what? Yeah, okay. Secure copy B. Okay, we have an ad break soon, which is good because I really gotta pee after all that coffee. What's the last movie I watched? Go Piss Girl? I was gonna wait for the ad to start before I went to the bathroom. Okay, I'm bringing up the server now. Stand by, yo. Ugh. Wait, Nora was trying to be funny? Admin to admin. Oh, that was funny. That is funny, actually. Okay, we're chilling, we're vibing, we're running around, it's all good. Chilling, we're vibing. Not a lot of teleporting happening yet, bro. Oh, there was a little bit. Little one. Teleport me, daddy. Teleport me. Wait, I need to collide with you guys. See if it's the real deal. Come back, feast machine. Okay, looks like it kind of works. Kind of working, maybe. Got some, oh my gosh, unless we're like way off. Then we get teleported like crazy. Wish I knew what's going on, rip. Puppies. Well, you see, who keeps trying to do like, people keep trying to do like SQL injection and stuff. I see you, I'm not crazy, bro. Or I guess that's, uh, cross-site scripting. Anyways. Oh, now, whoa, okay, now we're getting crazy teleporting. Like when I collide with a motherfucker, you know what I'm saying? Woof. Whoa. Yeah, I'm never gonna figure this out, guys. I'm never gonna figure out the teleporting. What the f- Ah. There's no database, guys. And I don't render user input, bro. This is all WebGL canvas. None of that bullshit DOM stuff, bro. Still getting teleported around, like... Fuck, bro. Wait a second. How did that happen? What the fuck? Who's invisible? Oh, what? Oh, it's just a bunch of spaces. Okay. I see what you did there. Oh shoot, I was supposed to be in the bathroom because it's ad break. Okay, alright. Everybody blocked. You guys blocked me in? Wait, how did you do the what's happening? How did I how am I stuck? How did you guys make me stuck? Yeah, I'm just like flat out cannot move now. Hi Judy. Good job, you guys. Yeah, I have no idea what you guys did. But kudos, I guess. Let me sign in again here. See you guys all hanging out in the world. Oh, I was in the middle there. Okay. You guys stay away from me. Dude, you're not. Stop with the cross-site scripting. I'm not rendering the contents into the DOM, bro. Whoa. Hmm. Well, it's good to know that we want chat. Good to know that we can... I have wedding ring? Oh shit. Okay. Oh no, I'm stuck! No! No! It was a trap! I could teleport it in and now I can't get out. Maybe I can teleport out. Bruh. No. Come on. Just when you want the bug to actually do the thing, it won't. Fish vendor NPC. Bruh. I teleported in the box and now I'm stuck. Bruh. 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 Right, now I gotta make a new guy. I love that you guys are like self-organizing into like trapping me in boxes and stuff. That's kind of fun, you know? Oh my god, the teleporting is bad now. Like if I add like error tolerances, I just like we get mad teleporting. We get less teleporting, but when the teleporting happens, it's much more dramatic. Ugh. Okay, did you guys look at the emotes in the Discord? Did anybody look at the emotes in the Discord? Rubber banding? It's not really rubber banding. Because if it was rubber banding, it would be like sending me back to where I was. It's more like teleporting, I think. Like, yeah. Through teleport. Yeah, sometimes it happens. Uh-oh. Okay, there we go. Hmm. 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 Yeah, here we go. Oh, I gotta refresh the page, yo. Reload page, yo. Alright. Bye, Young C. Wait, what? Why didn't it work, yo? Bruh. Bruh. Fuck. Why do they always put the pop-out chat button beside the edit layout button? Like they don't even know, bruh. What? Where are my doodads? Bruh. 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 They ain't even here, dog. How? Bruh, come on. Come on, Twitch. I know you can do it. Fuck, bro. Do they have to be approved? They don't need to be approved. Uh, oh, there they are. Okay. Now they're working. Wait, did I just type the wrong thing? Thingamajig? Thingamajig and doodads? Wait, why are my emotes locked? My emotes are locked for me? What the heck? Why are my emotes locked for me? This is no bonks. It's the problem is that yeah, why are my emotes locked for me? This is what? It literally was like subscribe at tier 1. Bro, I have a tier 3 sub to my own channel. Wow, Twitch must be like fucking up or something. So you guys clearly like the new emotes. There we go. Now I have them. We need one holding an inhaler. Oh yeah, that's a good idea. Sus, not sus. Oh, okay, gotcha. Oh wait, does that mean they show up in... They are a little blurry though. Sus. Well, I'm glad you guys like the sus emote. Not sure if sus looks sus enough. Yeah. There might not be enough detail in the sus emote. I liked the simple. Our WebSockets like outlets in a house. I wish, bro. You think you need to crop the forehead too? I'm not sure what you mean by that. Gito? A Gito? Like, I don't know, they just look a little blurry. Even people said they also look blurry a bit in the Discord too. It's hard to see the sussiness. Spelling are fine. They were zoomed in. Yeah, I thought they were blurry because they were zoomed in on Discord. We'll send you the zoom cropped versions. Okay. Thank you. Although chat seems to be enjoying the emotes, so this is good. Yeah, okay. Thank you. Thank you, Agito. I really appreciate it. Wow, this is cool. Having the artist in chat. Be like, what's up, bruh? Thank you. Maybe I should. Do you want the artist role? I can give you the artist role on my channel. Like, yo, artiste. Roles manager. Let's go. Add a new. Artiste. My liver is screaming. Oh, right, yeah. Okay. I mean, it's not like urgent. I'm not like an asshole. If you need to go to bed, like, definitely go sleep. I just stay awake this late to check the emote. Oh, okay. Wow, Tanrax, thanks for the gift sub to Agito. Am I saying that right? Agito? 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 My daily mission for my games, meanwhile. Oh, I see. Okay. So you can re-render them then. Okay, Japper. Thanks, Yapper. So the game, you guys boxed me in again. I can't seem to trigger the teleporting to teleport me out here. It's funny. Oh, there we go. Yeah. Oh, somebody moved. Never mind. What is this? What is that? What is this? What is that? Someone come and take a look at this. Someone come and take a look at this. Oh man, that's so weird when I like snap to somebody. No, 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 no. It's okay, I'll teleport out. It's a feature, not a bug, bro. Hey, Blitzberg. Is the door that let you out? Oh, yes, it was. Wow. Even the like NPCs are players. What a great idea. We can just make a game where all the NPCs are actually player characters. Cool, guys. Now we have a channel artiste. And we have cool emotes. Hmm. Hmm. Interestingly, the thinking emote actually does kind of look like me when I'm like thinking, because I'll watch the VOD sometimes to like figure out where some like content is, and then I'm just sitting here like this, like staring at the code, thinking. That's what it looks like. We nailed it, bro. Is very good. Yeah. Yeah, great. Very cute. Great artwork. Yo. And it's unique. I think that's the one thing that like I was very like I do like some of the like Gemini, like the generated emotes in the Discord, but they don't feel very unique. They feel like I don't know, they feel like a bunch of other people's emotes, you know? These ones feel a bit more unique. Plus like kind of like the simple chibi style of Agito here. Bro, whoa, what's with the teleporting, bro? So many messages. So many messages, bro. Oh, God. Yes, Clanker art will be a statistical average of what can be found, so. Like comparing instant noodle to handmade noodle? Yeah, that's a great analogy, Agito. Feel luxury, but it still gives fake feel. Yeah, I like that. I like that a lot, actually. Speaking of noodles, I'm pretty hungry. Lunchtime. Luncheon time, bro. Yeah, for sure. Cool stingrays. You're absolutely right. Soup in a bagel? Very tempting, honestly. Actually, I bought this stuff to make chicken noodle soup again. Homemade chicken noodle soup. You know what I'm saying? I might make that tonight. Let me go check the kitchen. Ah, figured because first time you wanted to include whole details persona, I only know what's wrong when they put it in emote sloot. Now try zoom facial expression. Okay. What the heck are you doing? Look at this. Look at this guy. Someone come and take a look at this. Yeah, lots of players, Osloy. I'm betting most of them are just dead connections. So we have like microwave pasta thingy that I could have for lunch. I do have soup and a bagel, but I kind of want to save the bagel for the actual soup tonight. homemade chicken noodle soup with everything bagel. Now I'm hungry. Sorry. I do have salad. You do chicken and salad, but I don't want to cook chicken because I'm lazy. Oh yeah, there's no bounds to the map, so you're gonna fall off for sure, bud. Yeah, I'm hungry too, bro. Bank alt. The WoW references are great. Wow, that was fast. Okay, let's see. Why don't we try the crop versions, yo? Yeah, some people are just trying to screw up the buffer, but there's like literally, it's just not gonna happen, bro. It just ain't. Moats. I think the cropped actually does look better, so let's try this. Okay. Yippee. Has those solved by issue? No. Oops. Actually, I'm gonna call it coffee instead. Okay, hopefully it works. Might take a minute here. Oh, it actually updated like right away. Whoa. Pause before potential out of memory crash? All right, wow, somebody found the fucking upper limit of this shit. Oh yeah, we're at 4 gigs of memory. Fuck. All right, cool. You're gone. Good job, random person, I guess. Four gigs of memory. Add Twitch auth, yeah, maybe. Although if I do Twitch auth, do I need to do database stuff? Probably. Do they have taxes in Canada? Yes, they do. They have a lot of taxes. A lot of taxes. Finally downloaded Clojure and Windows subsystem for Linux. Sus. Hmm. Classic Bobby Tables. Oh yeah, we call them little Bobby Tables. So this is interesting. Oh, the server. Whoa, what happened? Whoa, what? I did not close the... Did I do that? The process was actually, like, killed. Why was the process killed? Wait a second, what? Yeah, the process was killed. I don't know. Yeah. Exactly, Philite. Killer? Maybe. Let me go check the statistics on... Yeah, I don't know. We were at capacity for a while, so... You think Dio killed it? Really? Dio killed a runaway process? I feel like they wouldn't do that. Ood from Doctor Who. I know this is the WoW killer. They had to take it out, bruh. Hmm. Fucking shit, man. Alright, cool. I don't know, I'm gonna go, I guess. Oh, hey, Trash. First time chatting in here? Damn. Gonna go, yeah. Ugh. There's no way it's my first time. Apparently so. It said first time chat. Yeah, text Yash. It is bugged. It probably is bugged, honestly. Yeah. Well, okay, so I was gonna go, because I'm pretty sure Twitch is artificially like throttling viewership. Man, it is clear as day in the analytics. Like it's literally like the day I become partner, algorithm recommendations stop. Like it's fucked up. I'm kind of pissed. So either I need to turn off partner or somehow, or I don't know, start over. You guys don't care. You guys are talking among yourselves. Twitch is whack. Yeah, well it's crazy trash. Like it's just doesn't even like what? It kind of explains why I've been stuck at like 80 viewers for like ever. Even though I have like all these other channels and stuff. Cause it like I don't know. Maybe I'm just salty. Oh yes, I like the new emotes. I like the new emotes too. Fuck. Okay. Anyways, I'm gonna go. Cool stream.